I am Satya Priya, Assistant Professor in Department of Physics. Now we are going to discuss about the topic density of electrons in conduction band. Density of electrons in conduction band. Previous class discussed about the basic introduction about semiconductor and then types and then carrier concentration in semiconductor. So now we are going to discuss about density of electrons in conduction band. First of all, we already know about density of electrons. Density of electrons in conduction band. That is denoted by the letter that is Ne. So Ne is denoted by electrons. That is equal to integration of what is the limit. In this case, conduction band minimum energy level is Dc and in higher energy level is plus infinitive. So what is the value? Instead of E into DE into F of E. Already we calculated the value for instead of E into DE and F of E. F of E is nothing but permeability. Fermi distribution function. First we in this equation number 1. Then what is the value of instead of E into DE? Already find the value density of electrons in conduction band. Density of the metal. The final equation of instead of E into DE is equal to pi by 2 into 8 mg star divided by h square. The whole power of 3 by 2 into e power of 1 by 2 into d. In this case, energy level, E value is replaced by E minus of Dc because we calculating the value density of electrons in conduction band. So this equation is replaced by pi by 2 into 8 mg star divided by h square, 4 power of 3 by 2 into what is the value of E? E is replaced by E minus of Dc, 4 power of 1 by 2 into d. Okay, this is equation number 2. We calculating the value for this of E into dE. Next we find out the value f of E. F of E is nothing but Fermi distribution function, that is f of E is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus E power of E minus of Ef divided by kT. In this case, Ef is nothing but Fermi energy level, Ec is nothing but conduction band energy level. So in this case, this is equation number 3. So equation number 2 and 3 substituted in equation number 1. That is Ne is equal to integration of Ec to infinitive. Then what is the value of this of E into d value is pi by 2 into 8 mg star. Mg is given by electrons density 4 divided by h square whole power of 3 by 2 into what is the value of E minus of Ec whole power of 1 by 2 into dE. And then one more equation. What is the value of f of E? F of E value is 1 divided by 1 plus E power of E minus of Ef divided by kT. Okay. So next we find out the value of N is equal to, this equation is rearranged by 8 mg star pi by 2 into 8 mg star divided by h square, the whole power of 3 by 2 into integration of Ec to infinitive. And then what is the remaining term? E minus of Ec, the whole power of 1 by 2 into divided by 1 plus E power of E minus of Ef whole divided by kT into d. Okay, we have any term. So again this equation is replaced by, in this case most of the electrons are present in ground state energy level. That is EV, this is the DC. Okay. intermediate between these values EF is nothing but Fermi energy level. Okay. In this case, we discussed about the topic. This conclusion. Okay. Thank you.